Hello journey people, today we are going to visit Manchester Art Gallery, and in this video I'm going to mention few fun facts about it. So let's start the video. The Manchester Art Gallery is a public site. This art gallery or museum is a public facility and is a connection between three buildings. It is in the city centre of Manchester along Mosley Street. You can walk in on any day of the week, it's open. There are over 25,000 art objects for you to see and learn about. It welcomes over 500,000 visitors in a year, which is evidence that the gallery is a great tourist destination for both local and international visitors. There is no admission fees charged, so you can have it as a part of your fun place to visit when you are in Manchester City. You can drop in the gallery anytime you are within the area and you have extra time to spend. There are not many galleries that permit free entry, so this is a plus for this art gallery. In 1823, the Royal Manchester Institution, so-called RMI, are founded. 10 years later, RMI opened its door to the public. For over 200 years, they have delivered the gallery's mission to be educational resource. They still live up to their vision for educating their surroundings community using art. The architect Sir Charles Barry is responsible for designing two amongst the three buildings connected to make up the Manchester Art Gallery. The oldest among the trio is the City Art Gallery building. It represents an iconic Greek architectural structure. It was built between 1824 and 1835 and was the home for the Royal Manchester Institution. It faces Mosley Street. Manchester Art Gallery was closed for about 4 years from 1998 to 2002 to allow for refurbishment and raising for the third building. The new building was to be an extension of the existing two buildings. The Manchester Art Gallery belongs to the grouping of the art galleries across the world. In recent years, the gallery has expanded its collection to include modern and contemporary artworks. Manchester Art Gallery has also partnered with Manchester University's affiliated art facilities, the Whitworth Art Gallery, and the Manchester Museum. All this dedication aims at giving the best experience of gallery and museum art to the city of Manchester. These are the fun facts about the Manchester Art Gallery, and let me know how was your experience visiting Manchester Art Gallery. I hope you like and enjoy the video. Please don't forget to like and share the video, and please subscribe the channel.